Yeah, man. Welcome once again to the absolutely magical production of the orange tree in the dungeon. Dun, dun, dun. Look how amazingly beautiful and healthy this thing is doing. It's looking great. It's looking great. I just watered everything. So, see how there's a whole bunch of water down here? That's not good. That is not good at all. But, we'll show you guys a quick, simple way to get rid of it. And just like that, water no more. It is a thing of the past. No longer affecting our root systems. Making sure that our roots are getting plenty of oxygen. That's the key. Consistent sunlight. Well, consistent light, because obviously there's no sun in the dungeon. Consistent light. Healthy balance. Water from the bottom, plenty of oxygen. So the hydro grow bags. Oh yeah, nice and heavy. Trunk structure, nice and healthy. No visible roots. Branch structure, check. New foliage, check. So now we are in, what week are we in? I believe this is week 22, 23, something like that. Either way, we're in February still. We're heading into March. By April, by the end of April, this thing is coming outside, and look how beautiful it is. Amazing. So like I said, I'm doing the same thing, making sure that the branches don't overgrow. Doing this by holding them down so they grow out instead of up. As you can see, I'm on a limited amount of surface here, so the height is not optimal. So that's why I'm making sure that these branches just don't grow upwards. I need them to grow sideways. Of course, this sort of manipulation is gonna stop as soon as I take them out to the outside world, where they are able to really spread their wings and fly away. But for the moment being, this is what we must do to keep them trapped in the dungeon, surviving the harsh New York winter. Alright guys, this is just an update. Oh, do you guys want to see this? I have some lilies coming on. Oh, I gotta clean it. But yeah, everything's looking good. This has been an update. Like I said, if you guys want to keep watching, just subscribe. Alright, later.